So guys, once again I'm back with a quick tutorial. In this video, I'm sharing my experience and opinion based on something I actually faced myself. After installing a fresh OS, I reinstalled Steam, and like most people, I started downloading my games again. Usually, we keep backups on different drives, or we install games on a separate drive. But here, I made a small mistake. I accidentally started downloading Elden Ring on the C drive because I completely forgot that I already had a backup on my D drive. Later on, I realized the game was already there, so obviously there was no need to re-download it. Now, yes, you can attach your existing drive from Steam settings by going into storage, and your games will show up. But the real problem starts if the game is already downloading on C drive. Once a game is in the download queue, there's no option to change its install path. I tried multiple things here, moving the folder, verifying files, but none of that works while the game is still downloading. Steam will either fail the action or just not allow it at all. And since the game is already downloading on C, you can't even verify integrity using the backup on D drive. So here's what actually works. First, stop the download completely. Then, uninstall the game that's currently downloading on the C drive. Don't worry, this will not delete your backup from the D drive. After that, restart Steam. Once Steam launches again, it will rescan your libraries and should detect the game from your D drive automatically. If it doesn't show up, just go into Steam settings and temporarily set your D drive as the default library. By the way, I simply attached my D drive and started the download again on D. Steam began validating the files, verified everything, and I was good to go. Anyway, once you attach the D drive and restart Steam, it should automatically show your games. As soon as you do that, your game will appear in the library, and you can launch it directly without re-downloading anything. Later on, you can switch your default drive back to C if you want. Steam will still ask you where to install future games, so that's totally fine. And yeah, that's basically it. I know a lot of people face this exact situation after a fresh Windows install, especially when they already have game backups on another drive. That's why I decided to cover this. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who might need it. This is Syra, and I'll see you in the next one.